Fatty liver disease, especially non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is a growing health concern linked to obesity, poor diet, and sedentary lifestyle. Maintaining liver health is crucial. Alongside medical care and lifestyle alterations, specific vitamins significantly enhance this function. They aid in decreasing fat accumulation. Prioritizing these nutrients can help support overall liver wellness. Here are 7 of the most beneficial vitamins for managing fatty liver. 1. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant shown to reduce liver inflammation and oxidative stress. Studies suggest it may improve liver enzyme levels and reduce fat accumulation, especially in non-diabetic patients with NAFLD. 2. Vitamin D deficiency is common in people with fatty liver. This vitamin helps regulate the immune system and inflammation. Research has shown that supplementing with vitamin D can lead to improvements in liver function and insulin sensitivity. 3. Vitamin C supports liver detoxification and protects liver cells from oxidative damage. Its antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation and improve overall liver function. 4. Vitamin B12 is essential for fat metabolism and energy production. Low B12 levels are often seen in individuals with liver issues, and supplementation may support liver repair and reduce fatigue. 5. Vitamin B6 helps break down proteins and fats, supporting the liver's metabolic functions and reducing toxic buildup. 6. Did you know that choline is a powerhouse nutrient often linked with B vitamins? It's vital for keeping your liver healthy by helping move fat out. Without enough choline, you could be at risk for fat buildup and liver damage. Let's prioritize our liver health. Make sure you're getting enough choline in your diet. 7. Vitamin K plays a role in blood clotting and liver enzyme regulation. It's especially important for those with advanced liver disease, where clotting factors may be impaired. Integrating these vitamins into your diet, whether through balanced meals or supplements, is beneficial. Doing so under medical supervision can help in managing fatty liver. It also promotes improved liver health overall.